What's up guys, it's Bailey and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you guys how to get Windows 10 for a really cheap price. And I'm talking about 98% off of the retail value. So you could pretty much say that you are practically getting it for free from all the money you are saving. Like always, all the links I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. The website you're going to purchase the Windows 10 key from is eBay. Once you go to eBay, just type in Windows 10 Pro key and then hit search. Once you hit search, it's going to pull up all these listings with a ton of people selling Windows 10 keys. Now you can go ahead and pick whichever one, however I like to find one that's a low price with good reviews from the seller and has multiple of them sold from that seller. So this one right here has over 1,000 of them sold and it's only for $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that one. And as you can see from the seller has 100% feedback. So the seller is really good. You can go scroll down and look at the description to see what is included. Make sure you look over this description so you know what you'll be receiving. So it says right here that it's 100% genuine, fast delivery, full support. These keys can also be used globally from this seller. Keep in mind that some sellers on eBay, those keys that they sell are only for the US. So make sure that you find a seller that sells them globally if you're trying to use this key outside of the United States. Now once you purchase this key, you may ask how you're going to install Windows, because when you purchase this key, they will go ahead and message you that activation code. They're not going to send you any product physically, they're just going to email it to you or send it to you through eBay's messaging system. But before I show you how to install the software for Windows 10, I'm going to go ahead and look up the Windows 10 Pro and show you the retail value from the Microsoft website. Now if you buy this from their website, it's going to be $199.99. Now if you compare it to the one from eBay, eBay is only $5, so you're pretty much getting this for 98% off because you're only spending $5, so you're saving about $195 doing it this way. Now to install Windows 10, all you need to do is download the Windows 10 installation media. Now this tool will allow you to download Windows 10, and this Windows 10 will not be activated. It'll be the trial version, and once you have this installed on your computer, all you're going to need to do is input that activation code you get from eBay onto the computer you have, that trial version of Windows 10, and it'll automatically verify the Windows 10 on that computer. And if you ever have issues with these codes, you can go ahead and message the seller directly on eBay, and they will go ahead and send you a new code if that code does not work. However, if the seller does not cooperate, you can always contact eBay and they will help you resolve the case. Now if you don't want to look up the media creation tool, a lot of these sellers will notate in the description that they will go ahead and link you to that website to download Windows 10. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. If you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.